Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TECNO Pop 8 to an Android device. You need to begin by going into Play Store and getting free app called Send Anywhere on both devices. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, you need to set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Finally, you can tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of TECNO. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Then go back to Pop 8 device and using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. And choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button. If you prefer to use this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. And tap on while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. Then point your device's camera at the code and wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!